Dear all, welcome to Financial Report. Today, date Feb 24, 2023, Friday. We bring to you whenever we have some interesting and burning news. Today, one of the interesting news we see is, of course, stock market is red, deep red, and this is an article from CNBC which says stock closed lower Friday today after hot inflation report. Major averages log worst week in 2023. Live updates. So I will just tell in a nutshell what is this article about in CNBC. Then I will give my opinion, my personal opinion. It says stock market fell Friday, wrapping up the worst week after Fed preferred inflation gauge showed a stronger than expected increase in price last month, Jan. So they are saying that Fed's preferred or their favorite inflation gauge. What is that? We will see. So the Dow fell almost 1%, S&P fell around 1%, and Nasdaq fell around 1.7%. So this they say is the worst week in 2023, and all the major indices fell, and it's a fourth straight losing week. I believe fourth straight means starting around Jan 24 or Jan 15. And they have some news regarding Boeing and Home Depot. Boeing share slipped more than 4%, temporarily halted, and Home Depot also fell 2.2%. But the preferred gauge of Fed is the core personal consumption expenditure index. That's what they're saying, and it rose 0.6% in Jan and 4.7% from the prior year, well above the expected numbers. That's what economists expected, and it rose more than that. And the report added to the worries that Fed may keep higher interest rate for longer. I mean, as I said, you can read the detail of this topic in your time. Now, let me tell you my opinion. In my opinion, this is not a news at all. And I am not being sarcastic. So this is basically a cat and mouse game, a kangaroo market. Today, everything bad, inflation rose, this and that, all the reasons in the world for the market to go red. And tomorrow, suddenly everything has gone good, sky is blue, and market will be green. So basically, this is nothing but a kangaroo market. It's a cat and mouse game. In my opinion, this, what is going on, is only going to stop when market wants to consistently go green. That's it. Because again, in my opinion, that already the major indices around October or something, October or November last year, they bottomed to the most down numbers, right? And I believe one before that October, November, one around maybe June, July or so, the market made a bottom, the lowest point at that time. Then again, market bottom after 3-4 months to October, November. Again, it made the lowest point, much deeper than the June, July. Now, market, I would not say halfway, but market has recovered a lot. And today, whatever it has gone down, in my opinion, it's not a big deal. We are long way to the top. Also, we are long way to the bottom. In my opinion, it's not a worry. Market is doing what market likes to do. There is no point in discussing, okay, due to this reason market fell, due to that reason market fell. This is just a speculation. Market is doing whatever it wants to do. This kangaroo market or up down crest top market, or this kind of cat and mouse game, this market is sooner or later in my opinion sooner, but I might be little bit bullish, biased on the bullish side, but it's going to stabilize and forget about Fed pivoting. Whoever expects Fed will pivot, Fed will cut the rates, they're raising it. Whoever feels that, in my opinion, they were not paying attention at all. It's not a circumstance, it's not a scenario that Fed should pivot or start cutting the interest rate. And if somebody expected and they think market only goes up, then there is some communication gap. So this market will continue. Fed is going to show their strong stance, in my opinion, for longer. And in between, market is going to be a range bound. It's definitely going to be a range bound. Again, in my opinion, I am not a predictor or I'm no god. I don't have a crystal ball. So this is what market is going to do, in my opinion. But the trend of the market, in my opinion, goes up over the months, and the trend of the inflation, in my opinion, over the months is going to trend down, and the hard stance or the strict stance of Federal Reserve slowly is going to soften. Again, these are my opinion. I am just a market commentator. I am not a predictor, or I don't have a crystal ball. These are my opinion, and market is going to be range bound. Personally, in this market, I have some money. There are some money already I have invested. I have some money. I am slowly nibbling whenever I am getting chance in the red days, slowly. I am not in a rush. I have not exhausted all my money. I am not in a rush. Neither I am jumping into buying everything at the same time, nor I am in a fence that I do nothing. So, as I said, this kind of news will continue, and this is nothing new for me. Neither it's exciting for me, nor it's a disappointing for me. This is what market range bound and this different reports and different news is going to create a ripple, and slowly and steadily market is going to go up in coming months. Thanks, guys. We will keep bringing back any news as and when we find it interesting and important. That's it for today. Everyone take care, and see you in the next one. Peace.